guys, welcome to our channel. Pizza dough is something else. Soft, fermented, full of air bubbles, high hydration. This 70% hydration dough is what gives Neapolitan pizza that light, airy texture, those beautiful air pockets in the cornicione. But wait. How about we use this amazing dough to make something else? Something fun, something sweet, something different. Something like cinnamon rolls. Trust us, these are not your average cinnamon rolls. First things first, we're making a Poolish. This is our pre-ferment, and it's going to give the dough all that flavor and texture. We're going 70% hydration, 48-hour cold ferment. Honestly, we're obsessed with this one. It's incredibly simple, almost no kneading required. Check this out, 24 hours of cold fermentation. See all those bubbles and pores? That's the magic of slow, cold rising. Now we're gonna take this Poolish and make it into actual pizza dough. Yeah, it's sticky, like really sticky. But don't worry, just let time do the work. After 24 hours, it'll be smooth, soft, and full of beautiful air bubbles. Here we go. After another 24 hours of cold fermentation, this is what we get. So beautiful, so soft, and all those bubbles. Now let's cut and portion this dough, just like we're prepping for pizza, and shape each one into a perfect ball. Let these little guys rest for 20 minutes. All right, time to move outside to the patio. We're going to make something special. Pizza dough, cinnamon rolls. All right, let's roll this dough out nice and thin. Now we're mixing butter, cinnamon, and sugar. Mix it until it looks like this. See that texture? Spread that cinnamon butter all over the dough. Now sprinkle your favorite chopped nuts on top. Oh, and here comes the best part, our favorite chocolate drizzle. Now let's roll it up. Pizza dough is super soft, way softer than regular dough, so we need to be a little careful while rolling. All right, time to cut this into pieces, but we're not grabbing a knife. We're using something else. Cotton thread. Yeah, you heard me right. This is our secret weapon. It gives you the cleanest cuts, even when the dough is this soft. Again, let these cute cinnamon rolls rest for 20 minutes. Now we're lighting up some charcoal and wood pellets to get the pizza oven going. We want to keep the temperature around 280 degrees. That's exactly what we need. Before they go in the oven, we're brushing these with egg yolk. This is the secret to that gorgeous golden finish. And we absolutely love the rotating design on this oven. It's just brilliant. It makes everything so much simpler. Whatever you're baking, you never have to worry about uneven cooking, no more half burnt, half raw situations. Wow, wow, wow. The high hydration in pizza dough means we can bake at a higher temperature. This cooks them quickly but keeps the inside moist, so they come out super, super soft. See? So soft and juicy. This is exactly what makes it different from regular cinnamon rolls. It's so, so, so nice. What other creative things can we make with pizza dough? Follow VENNOE, join us, and let's explore more tasty treats together. See you.